we doing, Dad?
Alright, the day has come. We've got to strip this back deck off. Hopefully we're picking up the back deck this afternoon. We're getting one big aluminium piece, which I think we got photos of in the workshop. And with tomorrow morning or lunchtime, we're going to beach it and stick it all in. See if we got our measurements right. But yeah, I've got to get this bit of timber off here without damaging the hull of the boat. So I just got to work at it gently with my little chisel, which I've learnt over time. If you tie things on, you don't throw them overboard. So lost a few things overboard, so now we just use little handy tricks. So yeah, we'll see how that goes.
So while all that is going on, I will be opening our replacement GoPro. Because it came in the mail. Finally. Ow. And I stole a wide pocket knife so I can open it. Oh, it's a piece of paper. I don't know what this is. Actually, they gave us a courtesy item. I'm wondering if this is it. Oh, look at that, it is. They put some weird lacquer bands around it. Great, we'll probably never use that. And a clippy thing. I'm so sorry. Oops. My bad. I didn't see it there. Don't drop GoPros on your cat, people. Ooh. Belle, stop doing that. Every time I set up the camera, she sits right there. Okay, just... you're up to chapter 5. I think it's as cool as the original box, but hey, whatever. GoPro. We got our new GoPro. I have to say, customer support was absolutely trash, but we got it in the end in this courtesy item. So there's the update. We got our GoPro. A new one. Courtesy. We had to send back the old one. Let me fill you in. My name is Star, and I live aboard a catamaran with my family. There's my mom and dad and a couple of siblings and a couple of cats, and it's gonna be a good time. Anyway, we've been living on Pacificae for a couple of months now, and we've had our fair share of ups and downs. Our plan was to head to the Whitsundays in northern Queensland, but because of work stuff, we've been stuck in the Sunshine Coast. But our work is almost done, so hopefully we'll be getting up to the Whitsundays very soon. Okay, that's all. So Dad's just dropped Mum off in town. She's going to go pick up some washers, and then we're going to beach the boat when he gets back, and we're going to put on the deck. Yay. No more crappy deck. Half of it's missing right now. Let me see. So missing there, here, over there. I don't want to stand on it. I know you can, but I really just don't want to. And we'll be putting in a new one, and new davits too, which is those things to hang our big dinghy, because right now we can't do that because it's too heavy. Isn't that right, Larby? He's so cute.
We are beaching our boat, meeting our friends, and going to the pub.
Alright, we're beaching thy boat.
That's it. Done. Last two, but the last one's gonna be fun.
Alright, it is official. We have beached the boat. Isn't that right, Ashley?
Yes, we have.
Basically, we just come in until we went, oh,
What are you doing here, Mother? What are we doing, Mum?
Taking the old deck to the car so that it can be taken to the tip. Yay.
Oh my gosh.
This is our new deck. Some assembly required. We are starting to bring the deck to the boat now. It's gonna be a long process, probably, but hey, we're starting. Alright, time to move the big gun. So all the old deck is ready to go to the tip. And now we gotta move the main part of the new deck.
Just because, yeah, that goes to the metal, but we're going to have to...
can't get it in
She's coming to film
we
anyway.
can't get it in the salt water.
And I just got the entire corner. 1 minute it's trying to lean that way and...
Best carrying it all, yay!
You're right, you're right.
My arms are only going to fall off, that's fine. I'll go do that.
Hang on, I'm dipping it.
Okay. So this is the start of our new deck. And then we have to put on the paneling, and then we're going to put on some like other rubber stuff over the top to make it nice. So yeah, I will show you that hopefully.
It's through the aluminium.
I am up the hole.
And closer to here.
So we made progress today.
Oh, just a little bit. Yeah, pretty happy. We got the new deck on, supplied to us by Gympie Aluminium and Steel. Tim and Kim did a fantastic job considering we couldn't get the boat to the workshop. We had to measure it and guess, and there's all these angles that you can see in here that Tim got spot on. So we got those angles, and then the boat tapers off into a point at the front. So it's all, and he did a fantastic job. Thank you very much, guys, for doing that. And yeah, we just got to fit the davits to pick up P2, and I've got to go and get the checker plate shortened about 60 mil, and then all that can go on tomorrow, and then hopefully the boat will be done. Just be careful of the anchors there.
Alright, so Dad's just gone with Wyatt to get the rest of the top of our deck. As I showed you yesterday, we put the bottom on, that's all stuck in, but we need the top checker plate bit, which we will eventually put some like foam stuff on the top, but until then we will have the checker plate, which is great. It's better than having nothing. Like right now, it's really freaky. Go on a walk out on the back of our deck and then there's just beams there. It's not fun. Anyway.
What's the plan here? It's a rocky on the left.
Bumpy landing.
No, don't move. So I should move so.
Alright, new deck's almost up. Putting it on now, and then we will screw it in. Are we screwing it or are we gluing it?
Screwing and gluing, Dad.
Good day.
Are we screwing or are we gluing?
Both.
Both. Screwing and we're gluing. And then
Flex and
she will be beautiful. Something flex and bot rivets.
Hasn't got that much in it.
Blah blah blah. Starting to rain. Oh, I actually got lightning strike that time. There is a massive hailstorm coming our way. Our friends who are further, they're just out of Tin Can Bay, have told us that they're living in the caravan park in their caravan and their cars and their caravan awning, and their caravan's been trashed by massive hailstorms.
Did you close Mum's?
So, what?
Did you close Mum's?
I haven't yet. Go look. We are closing the hatches. We're trying to put some netting over the solar panels because they're the only things that are really gonna have, like, we really want to save them because, yeah, they'll be trashed if, you know, a hailstone hits them. And yeah, so we're just madly trying to prepare for this. It's like 5 minutes out. We just got the call like 10 minutes ago that it's coming our way, and we've looked on the radar. It's just about to come and the wind's picking up and everything, so gotta prepare. What about the generator? Dad, we should take the generator inside. Nah?
Won't go anywhere. Will they go under?
No, the problem is you're getting dented.
Yeah. What if it gets...
Nah, plastic.
P2 is bobbing out there, and we're just gonna have to leave it. There's nothing else we can do. If it gets damaged, it's insured at least, and you know, a new tender might be nice, but hey. So yeah, I don't think there's much else we can do. We're tying down the wind generator, which is unattached right now because of the stuff that we were doing at the deck, and we haven't put that back up, so it's kind of just sitting there, so they're tying it down now. So yeah, I don't know, there's lots of lightning all around us. I think the storm's coming from that way. I don't know, it's coming from somewhere.
Lucky you just went out there and just stayed on.
Is it hailing? Can you guys move this?
Dad, move.
Is it actually hailing or is it just raining? I think it's raining right now. I loved it. No. Should get the bigger down of it in about a couple minutes. Alright, let's watch.
Yeah, I don't want to. That sounds like hail.
I've got to seal up that to there.
After the camera.
Alright, thankfully no hailstones hit us. We did get a bit of rain, but no hailstones, which is good. And also kind of disappointing. Was that fun now? Did you like it? Good? Alright, our new deck is installed. However, we did bend the davits, which was not, like, that wasn't supposed to happen. So we have to talk to the engineer about that. Everything else seems good though, and yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, check out our socials, and thanks for watching. See you next week.